Hi, my name is Todd Harbrecht. I'm the owner of Lifehouse Homes. And today I'm going to be showing you one of my paired villa homes. This is the Churchill. This is an almost 1,700 square foot, 3-bedroom, paired townhome, villa home. Coming into the entryway here. The only option in this, well, no, I take that back. This one is sold. This has hardwood and it has granite countertops. And I believe it has a laundry tub. So on the entryway here, off the entryway, there's a coat closet right here. That's the coat closet. Powder room is right there. 2 bedrooms. Both about the same size. Like 11 by 11, 11 by 12, one there on the front. The other bedroom. Right off the entryway is the main bath of the house with a tub and shower. And then we're going to be coming into the main area where the kitchen's at. Like I said, that has granite counters. And then you have the dining and the family room, open concept. Come over here right off the kitchen and the garage. This is the laundry room, nice big laundry room. Washer and dryer will go right there. Oh, there it is, there's a laundry tub. And then there is a storage closet here. Right in there. And then this is where you're going to be coming in from the garage. 2.5 car garage. Okay. Put the light off there. Coming around. So then we're going to be heading back into the main area. So again, the 3 options in here: laundry tub, granite counters that you see there, and the hardwood. If they didn't take hardwood in here, this entire area would be ceramic, except for the family room area right there. That'd be carpet. Standard 12 by 12 patio out the back there. Okay, I'm gonna come this way so you can see the kitchen. Turn around here. There we go. Nice big 10-foot island. And then off the main area here is the master bedroom. Nice big master bedroom. 14 by 16. With the box ceiling. And then we'll be coming in to the master bath. Nice big vanity. Walk-in closet right there. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna turn around. Nice big walk-in. I'm gonna turn around here. So coming out of the walk-in, you can see the bathroom. Head back in there. That's pretty much it. Like I said, this is almost 1,700 square feet. 3-bedroom paired villa home in Beverly Estates in Lowell. For more information and pricing, you can go to lifehousehomes.com. You can click on, and there's several links there. You can click on for pricing, for brochures. Everything is available online. Lifehousehomes.com. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.